بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to my course for I am just publishing some sessions for non-Arab in learning Arabic language. Uh, I'm with Mohd. Can you hear me, Mohd?
Yes.
Okay, Mohd is from India and he is studying Arabic. He just asked me to give him a paragraph in Arabic. It's just like a news. Um, and it's recent, so I'm going to just read it in English, and then you can read it in Arabic mode, right?
Mhm.
Okay, the news say the First Lady of the United States, Jill Biden, faced widespread criticism after appearing at an American Music Awards ceremony. Okay, wearing a dress with the words, "I love the president," written on it in English. Some considered it an inappropriate and a violation of diplomatic protocol. Social media users shared pictures of the dress and commented on it extensively. Okay, now you are going to read it in Arabic mode, and I'm going to correct any mistake you are going to make.
تعرضت السيدة الأولى الأمريكية جيل بايدن لانتقادات واسعة بعد ظهورها في حفل توزيع جوائز الموسيقى الأمريكية، حيث ارتدت فستان مكتوبا عليه "أحب الرئيس" باللغة الإنجليزية، وهو ما يعتبره بعض تصرفا غير لائقا ومخالفا للبروتوكول الدبلوماسي. لقد تداول رواد مواقع التواصل الاجتماعي صورا للفستان وعلقوا عليها بشكل كبير.
Great, you read it well. Excellent, Mohd.
Yeah.
Do you know the meaning of it? Do you have any problem with any word here?
تعرضت يعني faced
Yes.
faced سيدة الأولى يعني
Faced.
first
Yes.
lady.
The first
أنا
lady السيدة الأولى.
first lady السيدة الأولى لانتقادات يعني criticism.
Yes, criticism.
Yeah, and
Widespread, واسعة.
yeah, واسعة.
Okay. Do you have any problem?
في حفلة توزيع جوائز فستان مكتوب عليه "أحب من الموضوع" تصرف غير لائق مخالف للبلد. وقد تداول رواد مواقع التواصل الاجتماعي يعني social media users، رواد مواقع التواصل الاجتماعي يعني مستخدمو
Yes.
التواصل
Yes.
يعني مواقع
Users.
التواصل الاجتماعي. نعم، users. رواد users.
Yes, users.
أوكي. صورا للفستان وعلقوا عليها بشكل كبير يعني commented on it. تعليق.
Yeah, commented. علقوا. نعم. comment. Yes, from comment.
مرة أخرى أنا أقرأ. تعرضت السيدة الأولى الأمريكية جيل بايدن لانتقادات واسعة انتقادات واسعة بعد بعد ظهورها في حفل توزيع جوائز الموسيقى الأمريكية، حيث ارتدت فستان مكتوبا عليه "أحب الرئيس" باللغة الإنجليزية، وهو ما اعتبره البعض تصرفا غير لائق أو غير لائقا
No,
ومخالفا.
right. It's غير لائق. Okay, but it's just written wrong.
أوكي. غير لائق ومخالف
مخالف.
للبروتوكول
Yes.
نعم. الدبلوماسي. وقد تداول رواد المواقع التواصل الاجتماعي صورا للفستان وعلقوا عليها بشكل كبير.
Excellent, excellent, Muht. You did it well.
Thank you.
That's great. ما شاء الله.
Yes. أنا أريد هكذا يعني أنا أقرأ أي أخطأ يعني آه، من فضلك يعني تشير إلى اللفظ أو إلى المفرد أو إلى العبارة. يعني if I did anything wrong or mistaken in
Yes, I got your
reading.
idea. You just
Yes,
asked if you have any problem with any
yes,
word. I just go
yes.
to correct your mistake.
Okay. In any word or in construction of the any uh, any text like in عبارة. Yeah, في العبارة.
Yes, yes, that's great.
Yeah. Yes. So let's say modern Arabic, so it's a little bit difficult and new words in this like in digital words like which are used in modern world. So it's not classical Arabic.
Yes, you asked me to give you a sentence.
Not accidental, but only the news or any like what is going on in
Yeah, you just
today's
want a
world. Yeah.
news, like
Yes, yes,
sentences
yes,
from the
yes.
news.
Like you sent it and you shared it here.
Yeah, like this one.
Yeah, like yeah.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
Okay,
So آه، حينما نحن يعني نواصل هكذا ف يعني نقرأ جيدا أو هكذا ونفهم المعاني والعبارة.
yes.
مم.
Okay, nice. Okay, Mo, this is another news. Okay, and I think it's recent too. Okay. Um, Dr. Hussein Khudair, the deputy of the Health Committee in the Senate, praised President Sisi's decision and directives to quickly transfer newborns from Gaza to Egyptian hospitals. He said it was a humanitarian decision by the political leadership to alleviate the suffering of the Palestinians under the continuous bombardment and the brutal Israeli aggression. Okay, this is the news in English, so you can read it now in Arabic.
Yeah. أشاد النائب الدكتور حسين خضير وكيل لجنة الصحة بمجلس الشيوخ بقرار الرئيس السيسي وتوجيهاته بسرعة نقل الأطفال حديث الولادة من غزة للمستشفيات المصرية، قائلا إنه قرار إنساني من جانب القيادة السياسية للتخفيف من معاناة الفلسطينيين تحت وطأة القصف المستمر والعدوان الإسرائيلي الغاشم.
Yes, تحت, I'm sorry, what at? There is here Hamza. Okay.
تحت وطأة القصف المستمر. Okay.
Yes, okay, that's great. And there's Hamza here too.
Mm.
Okay, that's great, Mot.
So,
You did it well.
Dr. Hussein Khudair, the deputy of the Health Committee in the Senate, praised President Sisi's decision and directive to quickly transfer newborn from Gaza to Egypt hospital. He said it was the humanitarian decision by the political leadership to alleviate the suffer of the Palestinians under the continued bombardment and brutal Israeli aggression.
that's great. Do you have any problem with any word here in this text?
Yeah, whenever I see the English news, I can understand the
You
Arabic
understand
news.
all the words?
Yeah, but if I see the direct to the Arabic, so it can be difficult one or words in words. So whenever I see the English, if I don't understand the Arabic, I can see the English, and if I do not understand from English, I can see the Arabic. So I can adjust from both news. So whenever I see the direct news, so it can be any difficulty in words to know the words and to know the meaning of the word. Yeah.
Yes, that's great.
Uh, yes. For example, the ashada, ashada used for praise, for to admire
Here
anybody,
praised.
to appreciate anybody. Like
Yes, ashada, praised,
anybody,
okay?
yeah, anybody did something
Yeah.
for human cause like this. So it's used in
And the Senate
news
here is
most,
Majlis
yeah.
الشيوخ.
Majlis Senate. It means here in India used like member of parliament,
And
Majlis
of course,
Shuyukh, and
committee is
mm,
لجنة.
yeah, Lajna committee. वकील लजनत क्या है? Deputy
Deputy.
deputy of the health
Yes,
committee.
the deputy.
um, قرار معناه يعني decision.
Decision, yes.
وتوجيهاتي means his instruction, direction.
Directives, yeah.
Yeah, direct. And نقل يعني to transfer. حديث الولادة newborn baby.
Yeah, newborns.
And newborn. تحت وطأة يعني تحت وطأة means
Under
يعني
the continuous.
yes, continuous.
Yes.
Continuous means مستمر. Continuous. وطأة معناه what
Yes, it's just,
Israeli
under, we just say تحت
yeah, under,
وطأ
yeah,
means under.
yeah, under, yeah, under.
Yeah,
What Israel is doing against uh, Palestine. al الغاشم يعني
yeah.
aggression.
Brutal.
Yeah, brutal, yeah, brutal.
Brutal.
Correct.
الغاشم, yes.
Um, so like this, I need so mm, your your help and support.
Okay, Mort. Here we went to the end of this session. It
Okay.
was a nice session, I hope that, and I hope you it was very useful or a bit useful
Yeah.
for you. I hope that.
Yes. Yes. It is very useful, and I
Yeah.
enjoyed learning Arabic language and
Yeah, thanks.
especially translation and modern and news from Arabic language. And inshallah, it will be helpful for me to
Yeah,
learn
thanks.
Arabic. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So
Yes.
this is the end of our video. It was nice to teach you.
Thank
See
you.
you in the next video, inshallah, or next sessions. Have a nice time.
Have a nice